Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make a perpendicular bisector of a line or how to bisect a line. Bisect means we have to divide the line into two equal segments. Here in the first example, we need to make a perpendicular bisector to a line segment which is equal to 7 centimeter. So the first step is to draw a line segment of 7 centimeters. So here it is 0 and this is 7. So now we'll join the 2 points. So let's name this line segment as A and B. Now the first step is done. We'll move to the second step now. The second step is with the help of a compass and radius in the compass. The radius of the compass is the opening of the compass. So the radius should be equal to more than half the length of the line. So here we can just see the approximate that it is more than half of the line. So with the radius more than half of the line, with A as center and radius more than half the length of the line, draw an arc on both sides of the line, on top and bottom of the line. Now with the same radius without moving the compass and center as point B with same radius and the starting point as B or the other end of the line segment, draw another arc cutting the previous arc on both sides of the line. Now the third step is to join these two intersection points. Let's name these points as O and P. You will see that this will make an angle of 90 degree here. That means it is a perpendicular bisector. And when you will measure the line, this segment will break the line into two equal line segments. So this point where the segment touches the line is the center point of the line. Let's name it as Q. So here AQ is equal to QB and OP is the perpendicular bisector. Let's try one more example here. So OP is the line segment which cuts or divides the line AB into two equal line segments AQ and QB. Now let's take one more example here and draw a perpendicular bisector to the line segment equal to 10 centimeter in length. So our first step is to draw a line equal to 10 centimeters. This is the line segment. Let's name it as R and S. Now we need to divide this line into two equal parts, or we can say we need to bisect this line, or we can say we need to make a perpendicular bisector to the line. So the second step is with the radius equal to half the length of the line and center point as R, draw an arc on both sides of the line, top and bottom of the line. Now the third step is with S as center and same radius, or with other point of the line as center and same radius, draw two arcs on top and bottom of the line cutting the previous arcs. This is our third step. Now our fourth step is join the 2 points where the arcs intersect on top and bottom of the line. So this is our arc. Let's name it as this as O, this as M and N. So here OR is equal to OS, cause MN is the perpendicular bisector. After making the perpendicular bisector to a line, we can check using the ruler. I'm sure if you follow the right method, you are going to get the perfect perpendicular bisector to the line. I hope this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.